Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, where we explore not just bikes, but the iconic machines that shaped the world of mobility. Today, we're taking a detour from two wheels to highlight a true automotive legend, the Ford Model T. More than just a car, the Model T revolutionized transportation and changed the world forever. The birth of a legend. Launched in 1908, the Ford Model T was the brainchild of Henry Ford, designed to be simple, reliable, and most importantly, affordable. It was the first car built for the everyday person, not just the wealthy elite. Priced at under $1,000 at launch and later much lower, the Model T brought motorized transport to the masses. Design and simplicity. The Model T featured a boxy, functional design with a high ground clearance ideal for the rough roads of early 20th century America. It was built tough with a sturdy steel frame and wooden wheels. The car had a simple layout with only basic controls, making it accessible even for people who had never driven before. Engineering and innovation. Under the hood was a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine that produced just 20 horsepower, paired with a 2-speed planetary gear transmission. Top speed hovered around 40 to 45 miles per hour, but the true genius was in its durability and ease of maintenance. Farmers could fix it with basic tools, and it ran on gasoline, ethanol, or even kerosene. The assembly line revolution. Perhaps the Model T's greatest impact came from how it was built. Ford pioneered the moving assembly line, reducing production time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. This innovation not only slashed costs but also set the foundation for modern manufacturing. By 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been sold. Cultural impact and legacy. The Model T wasn't just a car. It was a cultural force. It changed how people lived, worked, and traveled. It gave rural Americans mobility, expanded cities, and spurred the growth of industries like oil, steel, and road construction. Its legacy lives on in every mass-produced vehicle on the road today. Conclusion: more than just a machine. The Ford Model T stands as a monument to innovation, accessibility, and industrial progress. It democratized driving and redefined personal freedom. Thanks for joining Bike Reviews Pro for this historic deep dive. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the machines that move the world.